On behalf of Northwest Airlines and its SkyTeam Alliance partners, our flight deck, and especially my colleagues working with me in the cabin this evening, thank you for flying Northwest Airlines. We appreciate your business.